Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 7 says, Youth empowerment scheme can be encouraged through dash. Youth empowerment scheme can be encouraged through dash. A. Inadequate fund. B. Option B. Economic activities. Option C. Skills acquisition. D. Stringent economic policies. Option E. Inconsistent government policies. The correct option here is option C. Skills acquisition. So when we talk of skills acquisitions allows youth to have access to practical vocation training, and then it becomes part of them. Then with that they can be self-reliant, as reference to one of the questions we treated earlier. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more for our videos.